Perishable goods must be stored at proper temperatures to meet compliance regulations. Hospitals, labs, food service providers, hotels, grocery stores, and schools are all required by law to keep detailed temperature logs, but many are still recording temperatures manually. It's time to move into the 21st century with an automated temperature monitoring solution that protects assets around the clock. A solution that identifies issues before they become costly problems. A solution that makes complex regulatory compliance effortless. A solution that helps businesses get back to what matters most. Complete peace of mind. Anytime, anywhere.